Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Zoram Education Hub. Voina hiyan general knowledge video number 1 kanana nga. Also competitive examination hiyan general knowledge po hiyan mark carry na sa thail duga. Chu voina general knowledge question kanana nga. Which country first introduced the goods and services tax anita? Hemi question hi SSC banking TV la pon lo zo to answer hi France nita. France hiyan khovel pumpuya France GST anti hi goods and services tax hi an apply masaber an introducer anita. Chun kami concept ka India pon tran til tuga 1st July mo July nikhat kum sang nile som pasari atrangin India apo GST kha an lo introduce tani. Tuna methyl propane is an isomer of which of the following? Methyl propane. Hemi question is all turjan hama sabar achon hemi hi kan enangaya propane antita. Propane chu ange alkanes anya alkanes hi CnH2n plus 2 hemi formula hi ni ta tra. Chu hema chon hemi series hi kan shia tangaya C pakhatam chon methane ya C pani ethane propane butane pentane hexane heptane octane nonane le decane ani ta tra. Tuna het ahen ange methyl propane ani ta tro methyl enzat nge carbon pakhat thei methyl carbon pakhat oma chuan propane ahen enzat nge propane ahian carbon pathum chu vaina enzat nge pali heta carbon pali omatro carbon pali hi butane ani hi butane chu vain normal butane n hi normal antita Ashimshin isomer hi ang antichin. Isomer chu structural arrangement ani tamo chemical formula. Tuna antinan N-butane hi CH3, CH2, CH2 le CH3 anita. Hi angil do ino omatro hemi hi normal antichin. Maseng hemi thil hi CH3, CH3 le CH3 lo nita se. Enru heta carbon chu pali omreng mo. Maseng a arrangement hi hemi hi branch anita. Hemi hi chain anita straight chain mo ja hemi normal kanti maita chan hemi isomer kanti chain. Name the first judge of the Supreme Court against which the proposal of impeachment was presented in the Parliament of Independent India anita. Ama sabar achon kanshia thiam turchu impeachment mo impeachment hi ange official removal of political personnel any po kan ti thailo acha nange achen ju hata hian India ra ma hian mipali chunga chi akan mang thai impeachment ti president ania ama sabar achon president ania chumizwa all judges anita all judges of Supreme Court and High Court. Chona pathumna chu Comptroller and Auditor General of India nita. Chimzwa apali na chu Chief Election Commissioner of India. Hemite pali yahian impeachment hi kan mang thai. Chu impeachment in a remove thai. Chu van impeachment chu engvak man lo maseng I removal. Antinan president hi kan dulo ta president thilenga mani diklaw tini chuan a remove dan diktakle ay official da remove dan ani impeachment mo. Chu vain mi pali chunga chu impeachment kan mang thaya president nia Supreme Court le High Court judge nia chon Comptroller and Auditor General of India ne chon Chief Election Commissioner of India ne chon tu chunga nge an man masak per ti chon Justice Ramaswamy chunga an mang masaber tuna nge which one of the following element is a metalloid anita metalloid hi nge omzia amasaber chon metalloid hi nge metal anita tro chon non-metal anita metal chu antinan aluminium anita gallium anita strontium anita tin kan ti mo hei tiang te hi metal anya chon non-metals a hian carbon ti te nitrogen oxygen fluorine chlorine bromine ti te hi non-metal nya maseng metal le non-metal property nei ve kha metalloid kan di chain a example chu nge boron anita no boron ania silicon ania chon germanium ania chinzwa arsenic anita hadan chona shiat ngala tin hi chu metal anita bismuth po metal ania phosphorus hi non-metal ania enge bang silicon hi answer chu vain lom I silicon hi englo apo an mangtrin semiconductors apo an mangtrin mo I solar cell tivel kan siam na po hian silicon hi kan mangtrin which gas in its solid state is also called dry ice hi chu carbon dioxide hi kan ti mai ta I CO2 kan ti trin mo tuna question number 7 ya J.J. Thomson received the Nobel Prize in Physics for his discovery of okay tian discuss potila tunge positron discover tu ha Carl David Anderson anita hemi hi positron a discover masabera chumi zo neutron hi discuss leta ila neutron hi discover tu khatunge James Chadwick kantia a training Chadwick kantia tuna proton hi kan discuss anga proton hi tunge a discoverer khatunge Ernest Rutherford anita kan answer chu electron hi J.J. Thomson and discover tuna which one of the following state of India touches maximum state boundaries anita hemi chu maximum state boundaries ati chuan I Uttar Pradesh hi kan ti mai ta Uttar Pradesh hi ana vine state pakuan and boundary a share trina ama sabera chuan Haryana north anita chuan Himachal Pradesh hi nileda chuan Delhi po akhoya mo northwest chimza Uttarakhand po akhoita north Bihar khoile Madhya Pradesh Jharkhand ni ta atro Jharkhand ni chuan Chhattisgarh chana topa Rajasthan hemi pakwa hi Uttar Pradesh in boundary share chain a series of floating islands called Fumdis are found in which of the following lake of India hemi answer hi Loktak anita Loktak lake hi khoyange omti chuan Manipura oma chuan hemi hi enge largest tian titheya largest freshwater lake lake in northeastern India chuan India hemi nita atuna question number 10 ya longest beach of India is situated in which of the following place anita adenan mitam takin lengsha thaute zinsha thauten mo thla lak takhan post du thina Insta te Facebook ate WhatsApp tas ten mamo mitam takin le movie kan hian kan ngei to dan chan Goa chuan tamro pisia Goa chuan beach tama lian do po mai thiang ti an ring an ngei to ma maseng khami ka adiklawa India rama chuan beach ber khera lian ber chu Marina Beach Marina Beach khoyange omti chuan Chennai chuan Chennai hi eng capital nge eng state capital nge Tamil Nadu tuna I Marine National Park hi khoyange omantia nakina National Park le Tiger Reserve te pok lo po sanga chu vain I hemi channel li lo subscribe ula nakina chado do question GK chado do kalo la po zel don I Sundarban hi khoyange ti chuan West Bengal a oma no Koleru Lake ti chuan hemi chu Andhra Pradesh a oma Bhopal hi chu I Madhya Pradesh capital enta chuan Gulf of Kutch hi Gujarat a oma tro tian Gujarat ama hetilai veli Gulf of Kutch anita so kan answer chu I Gulf of Kutch who among the following person doesn't take oath of the office speaker in vaikhat ma oath an langai lo joint ma a speech an soi thin mo I ka joint nuwa hemi hi kati don lo hemi thil sual kati don lo I hemi India ramatan thil thahlir katiang an soi ang kha khami ka oath an tita khami thil kha speaker in vaikhat ma a soi vengai lo president chuan oath a partala a Vice President panala achon President panal shin masang speaker hian voi khatma hemi shi atrang tur speaker hian othalangai lo which among the following state is the largest producer of manganese okay manganese chu Mn anita atomic number 25 anit chendra manganese hi engatan nge an man ti chon glass shimshim hi T5 nan manga chuan I octane number petrol gasoline shimshim hi a quality ti thatnan an mangchin which among the following state is the largest producer of lead okay lead ti chuan ange a symbol PB anita plumbum anita mo chuan atomic number kha 82 anita tro ko ange lead kan man kan ti chuan battery ate an mangta pencil lead apo lead kan manga chuan answer hi Rajasthan and reserve lian do oma lead hima first census of India was conducted in which year after independence okay 1951 hian tian in shatia mga huana to pa matro chufangin first census hi 1951 tiang hian remember don ya chuan census si kumsom dana hian an update thin so answer chu 1951 tunami minimum age prescribed by the constitution of India for a candidate to be elected as a vice president of India ni chuan hemi answer 35 kumsom thum panga anita kumsom thum panga chu ni ngai ta mo claim bera what is the minimum age prescribed by the constitution of India for a candidate to be elected as MLA member of legislative assembly MLA ti chuan kumsom ni le panga angai thi ti ambok chuan lok sabha ti chuan lok sabha atang hian nia prime minister an chin mo lok sabha po 25 angai chin Raj Sabha ti chuan Raj Sabha hian 30 years angai chin kumsom thum angai chin tuna short note angin president ti chuan 35 years aita governor ti chuan 35 years aita Raj Sabha ti chuan 30 years aita Lok Sabha ti chuan 25 years aita MLA ti chuan 25 years ania chuan MLC ti chuan kumsom thum hemi important a hemi anlo zot nge don exam vela which is the longest river in the world hey tu pon an siang an nailania yellow river hi chu China omta a Danube river hi chu Europa oma chuan Ganga hi chu India oma chu vain kan answer chu Nile hinita tuna which one of the following planet is an inferior planet antita tro inferior okay hey sun nita se sun hey Mercury Venus Earth Mars Jupiter Saturn Tian Uranus Neptune mo hemita pani hei arthanita tro achhungami hemita pani chau hi inferior antita mo inferior planet antia hemita pani angani Mercury le Venus anita hei kan khovel arthania hei Mars hei Jupiter hei Saturn ania hei Uranus hei Neptune ta avain kan solar system ahian planets enzat ngam ti chon pariata om ma Pluto khaju om tola wachen chuka dwarf planet an ti to sun le earth inkar ahian enge Mercury le Venus om ta hemite pani inferior abang zong hi chu outer planet and the train outer planets and the train so our answer will be Mercury and Venus Mercury chu omlo wa option a chu vain Venus hini mai ole heti zong hinia I voina kanji ke chu kina lo upload le zela ngai mi chu video number 1 ania try lo ti chuan lo subscribe nge don chuan I in chian ten mail shiat te point lo share amo caution chado do lom don